Hi, in this video we are going to discuss how do we actually design as per वास्तु। अगर आपको अपना घर वास्तु के हिसाब से बनाना है तो उसके लिए एक्चुअली क्या-क्या स्टेप्स होते हैं that we look at when we're designing as per वास्तु। The first step is that how do you choose your plot? When you're choosing your plot, आपको किस तरह का plot choose करना चाहिए, किस तरह का नहीं करना चाहिए। If you are asking that residential use के लिए आपको plot लेना है, तो few things you should remember is corner plot is something you should avoid. It is not suggested to use a corner plot for residential purpose. It is better meant for commercial use. Residential के लिए corner plot इतना अच्छा नहीं मानते हैं as per वास्तु। Apart from this, you should avoid any T-junction plot. T-junction क्या होता है? If this is a row of plots that I have, and if this is another row of plots that I have, and if let's say my road is coming from here and there's a dead end, so I can either take a left or right from here. So this plot where my road is coming in thing, this is called a T-junction plot. So ऐसे plots भी for residential use suggested नहीं होते. Apart from this, another kind of plot that you should avoid is temples very close to the temple. So if let's say this is a temple and there are plots right next to it. Okay, this is a temple, then you should avoid this plot and this plot for sure because it is touching the boundaries with the temple. Apart from this, if let's say यहाँ पे सामने भी if there are any plots over here, if the neighborhood is such that the shadow of the temple is falling in more plots than just the neighboring plots, then you should avoid such. Temple का shadow आपके घर पे नहीं पड़ना। So these are few things that you need to remember. You can go for an adjacent plot. You can go for a plot depending on what the facing is. वो detail में जो देखते हैं तब समझ आता है which facing might be good or bad. So these are some things that you should as a layman remember before you choose. Now the second step, once you've chosen the plot and once you start consulting with an architect and a Vastu expert, now who are the members who will be living in this house? Depending on who will be living in this house, we decide कि आपका master, let's say if you're a doctor, if you're a politician, if you're somebody who's in a government job, depending on your profession, it is decided कि आपके लिए कौन सा बेडरूम ज्यादा suitable होगा depending on your nature, your behavior. If you're somebody who's very lazy, if you're somebody जिसको सोने में problem होती है, if you're somebody जिसको who's super active and remains stressed about work, and when you go to bed you want to feel relaxed, depending on your nature, your behavior, that's how we check कि आपके लिए कौन सा bedroom better होगा, where is a kitchen which might be better for you, etc. Once that is analysis, so these details are what we consider when we are discussing about the architectural layout for your house as per Vastu. The third stage is the interior. So once your layout is finalized, the next stage comes the interior stage where we discuss, where we check कि आपको किस रूम में किस टाइप की कलर स्कीम्स चाहिए. If let's say you're somebody who loves having plants in your house, if you're somebody who loves having paintings or photographs in your house, depending on आपकी liking क्या है एंड आपका प्रोफेशन क्या है, आपका बिहेवियर क्या है, एंड आपके घर में क्या पॉसिबल है, उसके बेसिस पे वी गिव यू सजेशंस एज टू हाउ और व्हाट कैन यू इम्प्लीमेंट इन योर हाउस. So these are roughly the three stages that happens when you're consulting architect or a Vastu consultant.
Hi, I'm architect Savi Barolia, an architect turned Vastu expert. In the last 2.5 years, I've helped over 1800 plus families globally with my Vastu guidance. If you're someone who's buying a new house or if you're looking for a Vastu guidance for your existing house, get in touch with me, book a discovery call with me. All you need to do is check the details in the description below. There's a link given over there using which you can book a discovery call with me. I will see you there. If you're someone who's interested to learn more about Vastu and to be able to assess your own house Vastu, especially with regards to the details of your interiors related to where should you keep your plants, photographs, etc., then join Vastu Within Walls. It's a self-paced course that you can watch at your own pace. Along with this, we're also offering 2 additional bonuses. Bonus number 1, where you get a floor plan of your house with the directions marked like this. You don't have to roam around your house using compass. Vastu is all about accuracy. So unless you apply the course learnings accurately, you're not going to get the results. Which is why we're giving this drawing to you so that all you need to do is just look at the drawing, watch the video, and start implementing things in your life and see how you can elevate your life from there. That's bonus number one. Bonus number two that we are offering with this is a one-on-one session with me once you finish watching the course. This is for you to understand that any doubts, any confusions you have with regards to the course, or anything that you have assessed for your house and you're doubtful about it, you can get in touch with me and we can discuss the best way from there. We're currently running a launch offer and we won't be running it for too long. So check the details in the description below. There's a link given where you can find out more about the course or get in touch with us to know more about the course. I will see you there.